Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to download Amazon Prime content for offline viewing. So let's get straight into the video. This is only possible with the application. Simply go ahead and open your App Store and Play Store and simply go ahead and search for Prime. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and download and install the Amazon Prime Video application. As soon as it is downloaded and installed, simply go ahead and click on the open button, which is going to appear exactly where the download button is. And when you simply go ahead and open it, you can simply go ahead and log in with your Amazon account and make sure that you have purchased a subscription. Finally, all you need to do is simply go ahead and select any kind of a movie or a series that you want to go ahead and download. And all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on the download icon that is going to be right next to it. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.